Hello all, and welcome back to All Things Ariane. Today I'm going to be showing you how to raise chickens. If you've ever thought about it, it's super easy, guys. As you can see, the ladies are back there in their chicken coop and just chilling out. They're about 9 months now, and they are super easy to take care of. We get about 5 to 6 eggs every day, so we've been pickling eggs, frying eggs, giving the eggs away, all of that. But let's jump right in. Hello, my lady. Come on out. Come on out. Come on out. All right. So obviously everybody didn't want to come out. We got a few of the ladies out of the house now, and we are going to start cleaning their coop. I let them out once a day to let them just roam freely. So this is their chicken coop. Got that off of Amazon, and we just keep the hay right next to it so that we can change it out easily. You can see they're watering and their food cans in there, and we just make sure those are filled every day. This coop comes with a little door and a little latch that you just open there. This is what the inside looks like. Come around the back and open up this back side and see if anything's inside of here. And voila, there we go. Our nice, beautiful brown eggs. So we've got 2 eggs so far. And as you can see, it can get a little dirty in here. So we just switch this hay out, and I'm just gonna pour it over into my little composting swimming pool that I have there. And that's where I put my food scraps, old leaf cuttings, all that good stuff. We can make another video about composting later, but I'm just here for these eggs right now. Okay, this is what a fresh, new, changed out coop is gonna look like. Like I said, I just keep this bale of hay near and change out that hay daily and pour it over into the compost. Super easy. All right, so now that the bag is secured, y'all, I'm gonna go over here and show you guys what I feed them. I don't have to go inside and put these in the refrigerator or anything off the bat. They usually last for about 2 weeks on the stovetop, or, oh Lord, not the stovetop, the countertop. And until you rinse that protective layer off, that's when you'll need to put them in the refrigerator, and then they last for about 3 weeks after that. We give them some type of egg maker crumbles and then some cracked corn. They like that, especially in the wintertime, to keep them laying eggs. So that's what they eat. We can find that food at Walmart, any feed store, but it's super cheap. Chickens are like easier to take care of than dogs. So if you can take care of a dog or a cat, you can get you some chickens. One thing you do want to be mindful of is animals and all that good stuff that are going to try to get to your chickens. So whenever you finish dealing with anything in your chicken coop, make sure you lock all the doors. One day we left one of the tops open, and we found a nice little fox inside. So just be mindful, keep your chickens secure so that nature doesn't eat off of them, and you're actually benefiting from your chickens that you purchased. And I let them stay out for about an hour while I chill out with some tea or something on the hammock. But yes, raising chickens are super easy. And they also love chicken scraps, so nothing with salt in it, nothing that's seasoned, but yeah, just those old vegetables and things that you're not gonna eat. They love them. Here you go, ladies. Yeah, like those cucumbers. No fighting. Let me know if you have any questions about this video, and be sure to like, subscribe. Let me know what you guys want me to let you know next, or videos that you want me to do next, and I'll do them. So that's all. Bye for now.